Hi guys, today's look was inspired by 17. See? They used red, but today I'm using blue. Um, I was gonna do a cat eye today, and I saw this, I just got it today. I saw this in the magazine, and I thought, why not try it out? I hope you like it, and enjoy! Alright, so I've already applied a base, and today I'm using this. I don't really know how it works because this is my first time using it. It worked on my friends, but my mom said it didn't work on her, mostly because we have really oily skin, and I have oily eyelids, so I can't use any kind of product. But you want to apply a base, and then using an eyeshadow color that's like, as close to your skin color as you can get. Like, I use this, oh, you can't see it because I use it a lot. But I use that, and just put it all over the entire eye for a nice natural backdrop. Now, the first step, you're going to want to take an eyeliner. I'm using a gel eyeliner, but the color is like this. You can use whatever kind of color you want. For this look, I would try to go with like really bright, pretty colors. So I'm using a gel eyeliner and an angled brush, like that. And I'm just going to take the eyeliner and line it on the inner third of my lid. I would try to use really bright colors, and also colors that make your eyes pop, so like the opposite color of your eyes. Like, I have dark brown eyes, so that's why I'm using blue, because it'll make them really stand out. And it'll really draw attention to your eyes, too. And you want to do the inner rims and kind of the lower lash line just a little bit. And just keep applying it until you get as dark or as light as you want it. I like mine dark, so it pops. Okay, and then once you have that on, you can use a liquid liner or you can use a pencil liner. I'm going to take a black pencil liner and line the rest of my top lid. And the waterline, just kind of only like half. Okay, and then I'm going to take it and make it thicker at the outer corner and then thinner as you go in. Okay, and once you have that, you're going to create the point. So what I do is I just make a line out as far as I want it, and then I make a line to the lash line, and then I fill it in. I don't know about you guys, but I always have trouble with the wing. I always have trouble with that. It may not look like it, but I do. Okay, once you have that on, you're going to take another angled brush and a nice black eyeshadow. Preferably just like plain black, no sparkle in it. And you're just going to go over your eyeliner. And it'll make it look way darker, which is what we want. And it'll make it last longer too. Okay, so once you have that on, you're going to take an eyelash curler and curl your lashes. And a black mascara. I use Lash Stiletto. waterproof. I always use waterproof. And you're going to apply 2 coats of mascara on the top and bottom lashes. If you need to, you can go back over the gel liner, because I got some of the black liner on it by accident. So, just go back over it if you need to. Okay. And once you have all that on, you want to take a nice bronzer and a blush brush, and you're just going to apply that on the apples of your cheeks. And on your nose and hairline. Okay. And that will give you, like, you want to use natural colors because you have a bold eye, and so you want natural colors. So, like, it's either eyes or lips. You gotta pick one. And a nice natural color here. A nice natural shimmery color on the lips. And that's it. I hope you like it. If you have questions or want to see a certain look, just send me a message. Bye.